Hello children, let's continue our chapter number 10, nitric acid. Today we will learn about manufacture of nitric acid. We will take it in catalytic chamber. In that chamber we will take ratio of air and ammonia 10:1 by their volume. We have taken here air in the large amount as air contain less amount of oxygen. So we need a lot of oxygen in this reaction. That's why we have taken air in large amount 10:1. In that chamber, ammonia will change into nitric oxide when it will react with oxygen. In the presence of platinum, temperature will be up to 800 degrees Celsius. Then nitric oxide, water and heat will be evolved out. As this is an exothermic reaction, whatever amount of heat will evolve out, it will maintain the temperature of catalytic chamber. And next step is oxidation of nitric oxide in oxidation chamber. At very first step, nitrogen monoxide or nitric oxide reacts with oxygen near about temperature of 50 degrees Celsius will change into nitrogen dioxide. Now in last step, this nitrogen dioxide will absorb water from the chamber. In the presence of remaining oxygen, it will change into nitric acid. This nitric acid obtained at the bottom of the tower is concentrated about 50%. And above acid on further distillation, it will give 68% of nitric acid. Now see on your book page number 166, concentration of nitric acid. Nitric acid up to 98%. Fumic nitric acid is obtained by distilling 68% of nitric acid over concentrated sulfuric acid. And pure 100% nitric acid is obtained by strongly cooling the 98% acid. When colorless crystals of pure nitric acid get separated at this temperature, -42 degrees Celsius. Now see this flow chart of Ostwald process. Here we have taken ammonia and dry air. Their volume ratio is 10:1. Then in first catalytic chamber, ammonia in the presence of platinum and temperature will be from 700 degrees Celsius to 800 degrees Celsius. It will react with oxygen and form nitric oxide, water and heat will be evolved. And this heat will maintain the temperature of the chamber. Then in heat exchanger, then oxidation chamber, nitric oxide reacts with oxygen near about 50 degrees Celsius will change into nitrogen dioxide. And in absorption tower, it will absorb water and this nitrogen dioxide absorb water in the presence of rest amount of oxygen. It will change into nitric acid. Now let's talk about the physical properties of nitric acid. If we are talking about its color, then it is colorless and its odor is always suffocating. In taste, it is acidic, will be sour taste. Then it is hygroscopic and fumes will form in air. And if we talk about the density of the nitric acid, if its amount is 98%, then density will be more, means 1.54 gram per centimeter cube. And if it is of 68%, then density will be less, means 1.42 gram per centimeter cube. Its boiling point is 86 degrees Celsius and melting point is -42 degrees Celsius. And if we talk about the solubility, then it is soluble in water in all the proportions. And it is very bad, having bad effect for our skin. It is corrosive in nature and corrosive action on the skin. It can cause blisters and it may turn the skin into yellow color as it reacts with the protein of the skin and forms xanthoprotic acid. Xanthoprotic acid.